cyber security standards. What are the cyber security standards? See, the principal objectives is nothing but to reduce the risks. It includes prevention or mitigation of cyber attacks. Then these published material consists of collection of tools, policies, rules and regulations, security concepts, security safeguards, guidelines, risk management approaches, actions, training, best practices, assurance and technologies. So you need to follow the security standards. So these are the jargon of cyber security, my dear friends. These are the cyber attacks. You must know it. I'm going to explain very important cyber attacks, cyber terms, cyber terms and cyber attacks. See, first one is you need to know jargon of cyber security, antivirus. Antivirus is a software that is designed to detect, stop, and remove viruses and other kinds of malicious software. And called antivirus, we are using antivirus software such as Bitdefender, Norton Antivirus, AVZ, Avira, Kaspersky, etc. Then cyber security is nothing but the protection of devices, services, and networks and the information on them from theft or damage. Firewall. Firewall is nothing but hardware or software which uses defined rule set, constraint network traffic to prevent unauthorized access in network. Ransomware. Malicious software that makes data or systems unusable until the victim makes a payment. That is called ransomware. Then two-factor authentication, the use of two different components to verify users' claimed identity, also known as multi-actor authentication. Then botnet. Botnet is nothing but a network of infected devices connected to the internet used to commit coordinated cyber attacks without their owner's knowledge. Then denial of service, that is called DOS, when legitimate users are denied access to computer services, usually by overloading the service with request. Internet of Things. Internet of Things is nothing but a collection of all real-time objects in a network is called Internet of Things. Then you can call it as a software as a service. If you see any kind of application as a service uh, by using internet, software as a service, one of the major service in cloud computing. Okay. So you must know it, software as a service. It is one of the major service. So best example for software as a service is called Gmail. Gmail is the best consumer of cloud computing. Then you can call water hole attack. What is meant by water hole attack? See the setting up a fake website or compromising a real one in order to exploit visiting users. So that is called water holing. Then bring your own device, that is called BYOD, is nothing but an organization strategy or policy that allows employees to use their own personal devices for work purpose. That is called, that's why if in organization also you can use your own personal device. You can use your own personal devices. Digital footprint is nothing but a footprint of digital information that users online activity leaves behind. Macro is nothing but a small program that can automate tasks in applications such as Microsoft Office, which attacks can use to gain access to a system. That is called macro. Social engineering is nothing but manipulating people into carrying out specific actions or divulging information that's used an attacker. Whaling. Whaling is nothing but highly targeted phishing attacks. Okay, mass squaring and also legitimate emails that are aimed at senior executives. Then what is meant by cloud? Cloud is nothing but internet-based technology somewhere else in the remote location. High computing servers at one place is called cloud. Through internet we can access. Then what is meant by encryption? Encryption is a mathematical function that protects information by making it unreadable by everyone except those with the key to decode it. That means you are converting 1, 2, 3 to some XYZ. That is called encryption. Patching. Patching is nothing but applying updates to firmware or software to improve security or enhance functionality. Then spear phishing, a more targeted from a phishing where the email is designed to look like it's from a person the recipient knows and or trust. Then whitelisting. What is meant by whitelisting? Authorizing approved applications for use within organizations in order to protect systems from potentially harmful applications. Cyber attack. Cyber attack is nothing but malicious attempts to damage or disrupt gain authorized attacks to computer systems, networks, or devices via cyber means. End user device is nothing but collective term to describe modern smartphones, computers, data centers, laptops, and tablets that connects to an organization's network. Then phishing. Phishing is nothing but untargeted mass emails sent to many people asking for sensitive information such as bank details or encouraging them to visit a fake website. That is called phishing. Trojan, a type of malware or virus disguised as legitimate software that is used to hack into the victim's computer. That is called Trojan. Zero day is nothing but recently discovered vulnerabilities or bugs not yet known to vendors or antivirus companies that hackers can exploit. This is the jargon of cybersecurity. My dear friends, any doubts, please ask me now. So far, I have completed theory part.